In this video, I will show you how to connect an Xbox controller to your phone to play COD Mobile. First, you want to turn on the Xbox controller by pressing and holding the Xbox button. Once it's powered on, press and hold the pair button on the top of the controller until the Xbox button starts flashing. Open Settings on your mobile phone, then tap on Connections. Now tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Under the list of available devices, wait for Xbox controller to appear. If you don't see it, turn Bluetooth off and back on, then check again. Tap on the Xbox controller name to pair it with your phone. Once connected, the flashing Xbox light will become solid, confirming the controller is successfully paired. Now open Call of Duty Mobile and let the game load completely. Then head over to Settings. Here, tap on Controllers, then scroll down to make sure Enable Controller Support is turned on. If this option is disabled, your controller won't work in the game. Once the controller support is enabled, start a match. Keep in mind that the controller does not work in main menu. It only becomes active once you enter an actual game. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.